female, black top.
See it right here.
Looks like short.
See it?
Right here on Salad.
He's gonna
Try to
find the
get
mark.
back in contact. Please. 100. That's only they're talking six.
You're at 80?
I got 60.
I can do that. You can get 20 per doctor.
I do 80.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. Keep hopping in. You know your tags are expired? No. No, you're on probation or parole? I'm on probation. We're gonna need a back seat if one of you guys can squeeze in here. Why don't you come on up?
I'll reach like damn near already a year.
I will.
Hey, baby.
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. Sorry, I just got here.
Okay. Yeah, so when do you want to go over?
Whenever you're ready. Come right now. Are you gonna come?
And then, yeah, send me the address, and I'll give you the channel.
Okay, sounds good.
Cool.
Bye.
You given an address? So that was just the address for
Yeah,
ET right now.
Yes.
And dude further updated that he is turning on Calvine right now, so surveillance units probably just a few minutes out.
I was just saying it's a Hispanic male in the driver's seat of that Honda.
Going.
TS is not pretty bad, so it's a straight. So we'll work it out. Guys, please.
You got any weapons on your third arm?
Just relax. Please.
That's why you're back.
Please.
One thing you take a look, you know.
Dude, my life is ruined. My whole life is ruined. Guys, please, please. Can I talk to you guys, please? Please, 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 please.
You got it?
Okay, let's stand real quick. Okay, so I'll search them real quick.
Hey,
Hey, you got a name? I'll make a phone call.
have a seat. Have a seat.
I'm making a phone call now.
Hey, bud, sit back. Hey, where's your wallet, man? You're fine, man. Just chill out. Just chill. Sit back. You're okay. Do you have a wallet on you?
Yeah, if you guys get hit property and just write it down.
If you're a sex buyer, you're going to be arrested and go to jail. You contribute to our problem, and it's the exploitation of women and children who are being trafficked for sex. So we're not going to tolerate it, and you will go to jail.